The Blessed Virgin Mary, as the Immaculate Conception, was declared the patroness of the Mother Parish of Puerto Princesa when it was established as a recollect mission by the city's holy founder, Saint Ezequiel Moreno y Villas, during his years as a missionary priest in the Philippines in 1870. Acting upon the petition of the Puerto Princesa Cathedral community through the team clergy coordinator, Reverend Father Salvador C. Saturnino. Therefore, I, Socrates C. Misiona, MSP-DD, by the grace of God and favor of the Holy Spirit, Vicar Apostolic of Puerto Princesa, do hereby grant that the Episcopal coronation of the venerated image of La Inmaculada Concepcion de Puerto Princesa.
These indulgences have been willingly granted under the usual conditions to the Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception located in the city of Puerto Princesa under the Apostolic Vicary of Puerto Princesa in the Philippines. The Church herself has been registered in the records of the Basilica together with the document of the Apostolic Penitentiary by which the indulgences were duly granted. Given in Rome on 25th day on October the 10th month in the year 2025, signed His Eminence Rolandas Cardinal Macricas, Archpriest of the Papal Basilica.